Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open Robinhood Gold account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as you can see, this is an article or a blog of Robinhood Help Center, and basically this is how you can upgrade to the Gold account. So basically you can upgrade to Robinhood Gold from any platform. That means either on from the website or you can do it from your mobile application. So if we go here on the Gold or Robinhood Gold, we can see that we can upgrade to the Gold from here. And basically make sure that you are eligible to go to the Gold Robinhood Gold by being eligible to visit the website. So basically, if you want to be the Gold membership, you can just click here on Gold, or you can either also find it in your mobile application. So basically, by going to the Gold, we can see here all the features of our Robinhood Gold. So as you can see, you can have to supercharge your cash with rates and products usually reserved for 1%, etc. So from here you can see your potential of gold rewards value in Robinhood. And basically to get started, you will need simply to click on get started, of course. By clicking here, you will need just to log in and basically uh, add information and you will be able to enter to the gold membership. So of course you will need just to be eligible first. That means you will need to be a resident of US or UK, the eligible countries to use Robinhood, and of course you will need to finish the setup of your account. And by clicking on get started, you will be able just to follow the process, and basically that's it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.